My name is Diana Shepherd, and I'm the editorial director and co-founder of Divorce Magazine. I've been writing about divorce-related issues since 1996, and I'm a certified divorce financial analyst. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to choose the right divorce lawyer for your unique situation. Choosing which lawyer will represent you may be the most important decision you'll make during your divorce proceedings. Begin your search by talking to those you know. Ask for recommendations from a close friend or family member, your friends and your family, not your spouses, who have been through divorce themselves. If you can't get any personal recommendations, there are professional organizations that offer lawyer referral services, such as the American Academy of Matrimonial Lawyers, the American Bar Association, Family Law Section, and the Law Society of Upper Canada, for example. Ask for 2 or 3 names of local lawyers who devote their practice to family law. Also, check out the Divorce Professionals Directory at divorcemag.com/directory. All the lawyers listed there practice family law, and some have detailed profiles about their practice. You can search for a lawyer who's close to home or work by selecting how far they are from your location. So, how much lawyer do you actually need? The best and most expensive litigator money can buy, or someone who can handle the whole thing quickly and inexpensively? It's important to find a lawyer who's compatible with you, one who understands and respects your thoughts and feelings about your divorce. Your answer to these questions will be determined by your own unique circumstances, but here are some basic guidelines to put you on the right track. As in any profession, there are good lawyers and there are bad lawyers. It's up to you to do your homework and to ask the right questions to determine which group your lawyer falls into. The best lawyers will listen to your concerns, ask questions about what you hope to achieve, and give you an honest assessment of your chances of achieving your goals. At the end of your initial consultation, ask yourself whether you feel comfortable with this lawyer, whether you respect each other's positions and opinions, and then you should look for someone who practices matrimonial or family law, will work with other professionals such as forensic accountants, CDFA professionals, business valuators, therapists, custody parenting experts, and so on. They should have a lot of relevant experience. It's preferable to get a family lawyer who's worked on many divorce cases similar to yours. If your lawyer is fresh out of law school, make sure he or she has an experienced mentor at the law firm, one with an excellent knowledge of divorce law, to go over your case. The person should be a skilled negotiator. If your case can be settled without a protracted court battle, you'll save a great deal of time, trouble, and money. The lawyer should be reasonable. You want someone who will advise you to settle if the offer is fair, not encourage you to have the case drag on to satisfy your need for revenge. They should be compatible. They don't have to become your best friend, but you must be comfortable enough with your lawyer to be able to share with him or her some deeply personal aspects of your life. If you can't bring yourself to disclose information relevant to the case, you'll be putting your lawyer at an extreme disadvantage. Your lawyer isn't your therapist or your confessor, but he or she does need to be aware of all the pertinent facts in order to do a good job for you. They need to be candid and upfront about what they think your divorce will cost, if there's any holes or problems with your case, and whether you have any aces up your sleeve. They cannot be in conflict with your best interests. Don't share a lawyer with your spouse. Don't hire your spouse's best friend, business partner, or any member of your spouse's family to represent you, even if you're on good terms with them. Aside from the obvious conflict of interest involved, you'll have created enemies and probably a whole new family feud before your divorce settles. You also need to decide whether you'd like to be represented by a sole practitioner or a full-service law firm. Your choice will be partially dictated by your spouse's choice. If the divorce is relatively easy and friendly, you can probably agree on what kind of representation you need. If the divorce is very bitter, if there are children, money, or large assets at stake, or if your spouse is just plain out to get you, consider hiring a top gun, whether that be a respected individual or a team of lawyers at a prestigious firm. The main advantage to hiring a sole practitioner is that you know exactly who's going to be working on your case. In the bigger law firms, the lawyer you speak with initially may not be the one who does the bulk of the work on your case. You'll get to know your sole practitioner well, which should make office visits or phone conversations a little more comfortable. Law firms come in all types and sizes. A firm can be 3 lawyers and a few paralegals, or 100 lawyers and 20 paralegals. You can hire a general practice firm that deals with various areas of the law and has a smaller department that handles divorce and family law, or a matrimonial law firm that handles only matrimonial matters. A full-service firm can give you access to specialists in other fields if your case requires it, and they can handle complications such as shareholders' agreements, business organization or reorganization, tax-driven settlements, including asset transfers, establishment of family trusts, real estate transfers, or estate planning. There may be a number of people handling your divorce at a big firm, which has its own set of pros and cons. One advantage is that you get the experience of a senior lawyer, while lower-priced associates, paralegals, and legal secretaries handle some of the standard agreements of your case, which will save you time and money. In the next video, we'll talk about how to interview lawyers to make sure you choose the right one to represent you.